Alright, I hope this is a good angle. Look, I am about to, how's the lighting? I'm about to make my son some of this. I said I'm about to start recording anything and everything that I do, you know, because it sometimes gets hard to pick. But anyway, so he's not feeling too well. So I'm going to make him some of this. Under the weather, like a cold or whatever is going on. But yeah. Looking for my seasoning. But anyway, what I want to do, I'm going to go ahead, put that in there, wash my can off a little bit. Pop these cans open. Y'all, once again, using the Chef Lawn cookware. So yeah, this is just a pop open can. So convenient. This is Campbell's Chunky. This is this classic chicken noodle with white meat. But 19 grams protein per can. But anyway, yeah, so it has carrots, noodles, the white chicken, celery, and all in there. I'm gonna actually do 2 cans. When you're under the weather, soup always helps. I hear him in the background. That's my baby boy. But yeah, I hope nobody else get this germ, Lord. Let it be done. Let it be done. So yeah, so I'm putting that in there, and also I'm gonna use a little ground. Oh, I more want to use garlic. I'm gonna put a smidge of this ginger in here as well, just for the natural herb, for the healing of it. Let's see. Yeah, it's already for the most part seasoned. You know, a lot of times it's high in sodium. I got some turmeric. You want some turmeric in there? So yeah, smidge of this. The only thing about turmeric, it does have that yellow stain to it. But anyway, put a little turmeric in there. Just a dab. And I'm surprised. I got a little onion powder. Smidge it. I'm surprised I don't have any more garlic powder. I'm overlooking it. But I have a little garlic salt. But I know what I do have. What you looking for?
That's a
Knife. I'll find something. So yeah. Stir it up good. I am kind of prone that we do not have we do use a lot. So yeah, where your phone at? Open up the benefits of turmeric for me. Turmeric is really supposed to be a good herb to use. I know it's good for anti-inflammatory. I've been a little sore, so maybe that'll help with that. And
It's anti-inflammatory.
yeah, anti-inflammatory. What does it say? And then what is ginger good for? So let's say turmeric, ground turmeric.
Reducing gas, relieving nausea, whatever you call it.
Relieve nausea.
And easing cold.
Easing what?
Cold or flu.
Easing cold or flu. Maybe we need to put a little more of that in there. Ooh, yeah, let's put a little more of that. Yes. Wait a minute, what's what I said? That was the ginger? Oh, well, we're gonna put a little more both in there. The juice. Whoa. Whoa. I ain't even with that much. But yeah. Yeah, you're gonna get this baby right. This 17-year-old baby need to feel better. I can't believe my baby's 17, even though he's been 17 for months now. He's my baby. He don't like being on camera, which y'all hear me talk about. So yeah, I'll give him this, and then a little while after that, make sure I make him some hot tea. So he's been drinking hot tea, so maybe I'll show you, come back and show you him with that hot tea. When I do the hot tea, pretty much, I guess, you know how I make tea, green tea. Then we have, of course, we're almost out of this honey. I'm not using it for the soup, but that's for, you know, yeah, for the tea. I'll show you that a little bit later. But yeah, this is the soup right here. I'm just let that cook and warm up for him. And sometimes you can add a little water if you like. It said soup. I mean, it's easy directions. Pour the soup into a saucepan, heat, stirring occasionally. See, this one doesn't say add any water. Do not add water, actually, is what it says right there. So hopefully it's not as high in sodium as some soups can be. Let's see. Oh yeah, honey, that is good. Could have put a little smidge of usher. You know what else? Just a dab of that cayenne pepper. Just a dab. That's that healing soup, baby. I need to get my chicken breast out the freezer. Down in the freezer and make some homemade chicken noodle soup. Because I bought some stuff to make it. So yeah, that's what I need to do. Yep. I need to do that. So I'm gonna let that cook for him, and I'll be back with a little more something else to tell you about. Ooh, look at that good old boil on that. That good old boil. Good old boil. And of course, we have some Ritz crackers. Give him some Ritz crackers with that soup. Should be good. Good. But what I want to do now is take this to make sure he does get quite a bit of the filling of the soup. I'm gonna put some of that in there. But at the same time, I want to make sure he gets enough of that broth without making a mess. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, there it goes. There you go. All right. And like I say, he's gonna have him some. Ooh, yes. Good old chicken noodle soup. Classic. Alright. Come and get it. Hey, if you remember this term, feed up time, from a particular movie, tell me in the comment section. Feed up time. Ah, what movie is that from? Hey, 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 it's me, Naturalee'LaTree. Hey, I'm back. I'm about to do some of these lamb chops. But yeah, this is lamb shoulder chops. So it's 2 in this pack. I'm about to open this pack and I'm gonna show you how I do my lamb chops. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, wow, wow, wow. But anyway, what I did here, put some good old olive oil in here. It doesn't take a lot. You know, you can either cover the bottom or lightly, you know, lightly coat the bottom. Not too heavy. So yeah, I got that in there. And what I need to do now is open up my lamb chops. Use these good old kitchen scissors to open up the package. And of course, I'm gonna rinse these off good. I'm not just gonna throw them over in the skillet. Oh, I gotta wash them good. So yeah, I'm gonna go wash these off with some cool warm water, not too hot. I am rinsing my lamb chops off. I'm gonna have that olive oil heating up in there. That's how I take mine. See how hot it is? Just dab up a little water in there. Just stand back now. You don't want to be burnt. You don't want to burn yourself. But yeah. Just grab my seasoning. I'm gonna grab some Himalayan pink salt, some onion powder, some Mrs. Dash. Okay. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do a little bit, yeah, just like this. That's the onion powder, Himalayan pink salt, the Mrs. Dash. And I'm gonna take my lamb chops and I'm gonna stick that down in there. Now I'm gonna go over it again with the Himalayan pink salt. Yeah, Mrs. Dash. The onion powder. Y'all, I haven't showed y'all where I was cutting that chicken noodle soup up the other day, and I was looking for my garlic. I found it afterwards. But anyway, maybe I'll include that in this video for you. But yeah, I also have the peppercorn. Turn these down a little bit, maybe medium. Just so low. Okay. So one more thing I want to put in there. Oh, why I couldn't find this the other day? It's right where I thought it was. They say if it would have been a snake, it would have bit you. Yeah, so this is the minced garlic. I'm gonna take a little dab of that. Put that through there. Okay, and so what else I want to do is put a lid on there, cover that up. With this skillet, I don't really have the lid to actually fit it, so I'm just gonna put this up, cover with this little sheet of foil. I'm gonna let that go. I'm gonna let it do what it's gonna do. I got to show when I started cooking the couscous. But yeah, couscous. It's a rice. But anyway, quality durum wheat. Macaroon style pasta, that's what it says. But yeah, it's a combination like between a rice and grits. But anyway, I put the water in there, let it boil. Then I poured that in there and let it boil and cook down. So yeah, so I'm gonna have some couscous, and it's non-GMO. So yeah, look at them, encouraging to recycle. Reuse and recycle, so I want to throw that out. I can put some rice or store some rice or something in there. But yeah, so couscous, and then I'm gonna have that with so y'all had some shrimp that was left over from the other day. So I just put them in there. I just put everything in there so I could get that good seasoning that was in that olive oil from the lamb chop. And put some green beans over in there. There was some frozen green beans. So I let them cook down. I just want everything to have some good flavor. That's my meal. That's gonna be my meal.